This project, we called it DLP instead of the laptops project, as people popularly knew it, because it had many more components than just providing the laptops. So first of all, we needed to provide power to schools so that we can be able to power up the various devices. Secondly, we needed to train teachers so that they will know how to use this technology in classrooms. The third thing we needed to do was develop digital content for loading in the devices. The fourth area was the design of the technology solution itself. And then we also had the establishment of local assembly for these devices. So this project had a lot of other components. That's why we renamed it from the laptops project to the digital literacy program, popularly known as DLP. To date, we have actually rolled out 1,050,000 devices all across the country. We've done close to 20,000 public primary schools in every corner of this country with different levels of completion. So some counties are 100% complete, others are almost complete. So we just have about 2,000 schools to go on this particular program.